Welcome. If you're gearing up for a computer engineer interview, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into key questions that will help you showcase your skills and experiences effectively. Let's kick things off with teamwork, an essential part of any engineering role. Could you share an experience where you thrived working in a team on a computer engineering project? Interviewers ask this to understand how well you collaborate with others, which is crucial in engineering roles. Here are some pointers to structure your response. Pick a project where collaboration was key. Highlight your specific role and contributions. Discuss challenges and how your team addressed to them. Share the project's outcome and your personal takeaways. Ensure your story is concise and relevant to the job. Let's look at an example of how you might answer this question.
In my final year at university, I was part of a team developing a smart home automation system. I led the design of communication protocols. We hit a snag with device integration, but through brainstorming sessions, we tackled it head on. The project was a success, and it significantly boosted my teamwork skills.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for computer engineer. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Tell us about a technical challenge you faced and how you tackled it. This question aims to gauge your problem-solving skills and how you handle obstacles. Here's how to craft a compelling response. Choose a specific technical issue you've encountered. Clearly explain the context. Describe the steps you took to address the problem. Mention any tools or technologies you used. Conclude with the outcome and what you learned from the experience. Here's an example to illustrate this kind of response.
During a project aimed at optimizing circuit performance, I noticed a signal integrity issue. Using simulation software, I analyzed the layout and made necessary adjustments. This effort led to a 30% improvement in performance and taught me the critical role of layout in circuit design.
Have you ever been in charge of leading a project team? How did you keep your team motivated? This question assesses your leadership abilities and how you inspire and manage a team. Here are some tips to help you articulate your leadership experience. Briefly describe your experience leading a team. Focus on specific strategies you use to motivate team members. Highlight any measurable outcomes or successes. Discuss your communication and support methods. Reflect on challenges faced and how you overcame them. Let's see how you can put this into words with an example.
During my internship, I led a team of 4 to create a mobile app. I set clear goals and celebrated small achievements to keep morale high. Regular stand-ups ensured everyone felt included and engaged, leading to a timely completion and positive feedback on our project.
If you found a critical bug in your code just before a release, what would you do? Interviewers want to understand your decision-making process under pressure. Consider these steps when framing your answer. Quickly assess the severity and impact of the bug. Communicate the issue to your team and stakeholders immediately. Decide between deploying a hotfix or rolling back the release. Document the bug and your resolution process for future reference. Plan a post-release review to prevent similar issues. Here's how you might respond to this scenario.
Upon discovering a critical bug, I'd first evaluate its impact and inform my team and stakeholders. If urgent, I'd work on a hot fix. Otherwise, a rollback might be necessary. I would document the bug thoroughly and suggest a post-release review to discuss improvements.
Imagine juggling multiple projects with tight deadlines. How would you prioritize your tasks? This question tests your ability to manage time and prioritize tasks effectively. Here's a strategy to help you structure your response. List all projects and their deadlines to get a clear overview. Evaluate the impact of each project on the company or team goals. Identify dependencies to determine the sequence of tasks. Communicate with stakeholders to clarify priorities. Use a time management tool to keep track of tasks. Let's look at a sample answer to guide you.
I would start by listing all my projects and deadlines, then prioritize them based on how they align with company goals. I'd check for dependencies and communicate these priorities with my team, using a task management tool to stay organized.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step-by-step tips in a handy PDF. Totally free. Just grab it below.